Russia's biggest bank has developed an app to determine whether a person has COVID from the way that they cough. Sberbank will use a special algorithm to tell within a minute whether a person is infected or not. Well, the app first requires users to fill out a questionnaire about their symptoms. It then records and analyses data from your voice, breathing and cough. And developers do insist that people should then consult a doctor and not treat the app as a final analysis.
First of all, we have found all possible data sets from cough, from examples of cough of COVID positive and COVID negative people. And it means that neural network understand really accurate and can't understand with the special signal, special part of this spectrogram. What is exactly cough related to COVID and cough related to, for example, some other virus when a person has a cold. This is an app that helping to understand that you have to go to a doctor. The probability of a person to be a COVID positive is quite high, and it's comparable with the PCR test. For example, PCR test has sensitivity 70% and specificity 95%. The AI model, what we are talking about, allows us to adjust sensitivity 85% and specificity 45%. So this is artificial intelligence that helps us to understand COVID or not COVID in the app in 60 seconds.